Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to get virtual credit card for free instantly, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser and then search privacy.com. From here, sign up. I'm not signing up because I already have an account. Once you're done signing up, log in to your account. From here, click on Cards. Then click on New Card. Now, go to Nickname. Over here, you can see the popular cards that are available. Choose the card that you want. Then, click on Save. After that, click on Monthly Limit. Now, set the limit that you want. After that, click on Create Card. I already have a card, that's why I'm not creating a new one. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.